To use the Barclays app efficiently, follow these steps. Download and install. Go to your device's app store, search for the Barclays app and download it. Install the app on your device. Register or log in. Open the app and either register for a new account or log in with your existing Barclays online banking credentials. Explore features. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's features. You can check your account balances, view transaction history, pay bills, transfer money, and manage standing orders and direct debits. Make transactions. To make transactions, select the appropriate option from the app's menu. Follow the prompts to enter the required details for transfers, bill payments, or other transactions. Stay secure. Ensure the security of your transactions by using biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID if available. Never share your login credentials with anyone. Set alerts and notifications. Customize your app settings to receive alerts and notifications for account activity, low balances, or upcoming payments. Contact support. If you encounter any issues or have questions about using the app, utilize the app's support features to get assistance from Barclays customer service.